po, eto good news. Weekly chart po ito, look at this. Nag-close tayo, ang ganda nito, solid green. Nag-close tayo above the channel and now we're trading above. Weekly close ito. So what we want to see kay Bitcoin this week is a green close. Green close. Maganda kung long green, probably 123, 125. Diba this week? A green close. So ang mangyayari dyan, itong channel po na to, magiging support niya. Again, sa weekly ha. Paano ka ngayon magte-trade? Ito na yung sinasabi natin na price discovery. Papunta ka na sa price discovery. So usually, kapag ka po magte-trade kayo sa all-time high, number 1, tandaan, take note, do not counter the trend. Kasi pag breakout po, especially bumasag ka ng all-time high, bumasag ka dito sa channel na to ng weekly, usually malakas pa yan, may puwersa pa yan. So wag kang basta-basta issue-short kasi most likely masasagasaan ka. So what you want to do is to ride the trend, look for opportunities saan ka papasok.